Hackathons are all about taking what we already know and doing cool stuff with it. So, for this hackathon, we decided to take a look at one of our old hackathon projects and see what we can do to make it even better. Shipworthy was a project that explored how you could create novel game controls with just a Python script and some accurate computer vision detection. My inspiration came from a childhood desire to steer a pirate ship like in Pirates of the Caribbean. Our steering controls worked, but the game we made to demo our controls was not the best. So, for this hackathon, we made a game in order to better showcase our past project and fully fulfill my childhood dream of steering a pirate ship. Garbage Pirates is a ship game where you progress through 3 different levels, avoiding buoys that damage your ship. Littered throughout each level is garbage, which you can collect to gain points during the game. If I start the steering wheel script, a camera window appears. The steering wheel script works by detecting if the green of the wheel is in the places that are indicated in the camera window. If it is detected, then it can simulate WASD key presses. So, if I press play and choose levels, we can play the game.